Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the official licensed Netflix smart projector HAPPRUN H11. I got this directly from Amazon. Link is in the description below. If you're planning to grab it, make sure you buy through that link for the best price and to see if any discount coupons are available. Now, what really makes this projector stand out is the picture quality. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is sharp, and watching movies feels like you're sitting in a mini theater at home. Even when you project on a big screen, the clarity stays impressive. The details really pop. Because it's Netflix licensed, you don't need to mess with workarounds or external devices. You just power it on, open the built-in Netflix app, and start streaming. It also supports other built-in apps. So whether it's YouTube, Prime Video, or Disney Plus, it feels super smooth and convenient. The brightness is another strong point. It handles both indoor and outdoor settings pretty well, even with a bit of ambient light. The image remains watchable, which is something most budget projectors struggle with. The sound quality with Dolby Audio is surprisingly good for a compact projector. Dialogue is clear, and if you're watching action movies, the effects have enough depth to keep you immersed. Of course, you can always connect external speakers via Bluetooth if you want an even more cinematic experience. Another thing I liked is the electric focus. No more manual knob adjustments. With just a button, the picture sharpens instantly, which is a big time saver. So, if you're looking for a reliable projector for a home cinema or even outdoor movie nights, this HAPPRUN smart projector is a fantastic choice. The picture quality is what really sells it. Crisp, colorful, and theater-like. Don't forget, I've dropped the Amazon link in the description. Check it out there for the best price and deals.